Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing these gel polishes that I received from a company called HepNailz. Thank you so much HepNailz for sending me these gel polishes. I'm really excited to try them out. So here are all of the gel polishes I received. I got 6 different colors, and these also came with a dotting tool, and the dotting tool is to create a seashell type of effect using the pearl polish, and I'll show you guys how to do that later in the video. So here is everything, and let's go ahead and get started. So for gel polish number 1, here is the color. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm actually not going to do the pearl effect until the second coat. I just really want to see the first coat of gel polish first, and I want to see how it looks, you know, without any type of extra you know, effects. I just want to see how it looks just with a simple application. So this is number 1, and then moving on to number 2. This is also a very gorgeous color. It's kind of like a fire like red orange. I think it's so pretty, and I feel like I'm seeing purple undertones. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but this is really nice. And these are extremely pigmented. Like, this is just the first coat, and I am really impressed. So this is number 2, and then moving on to number 3. This is a like a gold but with an orange undertone, and this is also very gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love this. Super pigmented. Like, look at that coverage. This is so pretty. I'm really impressed with this. So that is number 3. And then number 4, so this is a purple. This is a really nice bright purple, and I feel like this would be perfect for a Halloween set. You know, spooky season is coming up, you guys. I'm really excited because I have a lot of things planned. This is a gorgeous color, and I'm just so impressed with how pigmented these gel polishes are. This has really great coverage for it to just be one coat. I'm very impressed. So this is number 4, you guys. And moving on to number 5. So this is also a purple color, but this is a mauve toned purple, and I absolutely love mauve colors. I know some people might argue that it's kind of like dull, but I love it. There's just something about mauve tones that I feel like is so classy and elegant. But yes, this is number 5, and moving on to number 6. I feel like this gel polish has a little bit of everything all in one. Maybe I'm tripping, but I don't know. I feel like I see a little bit of all of the colors that I just swatched in this last gel polish. This is very pretty. It's giving me, like, the first thing that comes to mind is like galaxy. So that is number 6. Okay, so moving on to the second coat of each color. I'm going to paint it on, and I'm just going to show you how it looks if you were just to, you know, do 2 coats and just leave it like this. And then now I'm going to show you how I do the shell effect. So using the smaller end of the dotting tool, you just make a bunch of like tiny small circles just going all the way down. So you just do 1 row at a time, and I hope that made sense. Like, basically you're doing swirls, and you're just, you know, going all the way across the nail, and then you move down and go all the way across the nail again, just how I'm showing you in the video. Very simple. And then you can go back and, you know, touch up some places that you might have missed, but that is basically it. So I know it was probably a little hard to see on the first color because it is a lighter color. So I'm going to show you on all the colors, but I think this one was my favorite. When I did the shell effect, this one was definitely my favorite. So after 2 coats, you take the dotting tool and you make your swirls row by row, and you can see the shell effect come up a lot better on this color because it's darker. In person, the lighter color, it does show up really well. It's just like my camera isn't picking it up, but on this color right here, I feel like it really showed up. And then number 3, again, I'm just going to do the second coat so you guys can see how it looks, you know, without any type of extra effects. It's very, very pretty. You could definitely just paint these and leave them. But the shell effect, and what's crazy is this is the first time I've ever done shell effect. Like, I've never done this before. But I've seen so many videos and it's like the easiest thing to do, okay? This is extremely beginner friendly. Anybody could do this. And I'm so excited to see how this looks with the color change. And I'm going to show you guys the full effect, so don't worry, just keep watching. And so moving on to number 4, which is that nice bright purple. This also showed up really, really nicely on camera. So this is how it looks with 2 coats. And now I'm going to do the shell effect. And I am wiping off the dotting tool between each color, obviously. But yeah, so I'm doing the shell effect. And you don't even have to follow, like, you know, the super tiny swirls that I'm doing. You could really do whatever you want. Like, you could randomly take the dotting tool and just, you know, do random swirls. It would still turn out, you know, really, really nice. And so moving on to number 5, that mauve purple, which I love. So this is how it looks with 2 coats. So pretty. I really, really love this. And then with the shell effect, again, this is super simple. I feel like anybody can follow this tutorial. This is one of those designs that you see the end result and you're wondering, oh my gosh, how did they do that? But it, you know, turned out to be something literally as simple as taking a dotting tool and doing random swirls all over the nail. So this is how the gel polish turned out. This is number 5. And then the last color, number 6, the one that I like to call Galaxy. This is 2 coats and it's super pretty. This is very pretty. I feel like this is my favorite out of all of them. I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and do the shell effect. And I really love how this one turned out. Because again, I feel like I'm seeing all of the shimmers from all the other gel polishes in this one bottle. What do you guys think? Am I tripping? Like, do you see what I'm talking about? I don't know. But that is number 6. So here are all of the gel polish swatches with the pearl effect. I am very impressed with the coverage and how these turned out. And now I'm going to show you the color change. I'm using a heating gun, and make sure you're paying attention. I know you see that color change. Oh my gosh, I am very, very, very impressed. This is gorgeous. So here's a close-up with the color change. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. But this is it, you guys. I went ahead and put it on my display hand and my display finger. And I really love how these turned out. I'm super impressed. I can't wait to do full sets with these colors. Definitely let me know which one is your favorite and what you guys think about these gel polishes. And I'll have the Amazon link listed in the description box along with my coupon code so you guys can save some money. But that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.